Do you know you can create professional looking images like this, this, just with your phone without going to the studio? Yes, with this, you can literally get professional looking images without going to the studio for your birthday or for your special occasion. Yes, and it will look very realistic. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create professional looking images without going to the studio. So now you can create professional pictures for your social media, even if you don't have time or money to go to the studio. So stay with me and learn how to create professional looking images with just your phone with free AI tools. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any of the steps. So let's dive right into it. The tool we are going to be using to create these images is Gemini app. So go to your browser and type Gemini. Then tap on this first results you see here. Now when you are in, you create an account if you haven't, or sign in if you already have an account with Gemini. Now the next important thing we need right now is the prompt. The prompt is going to determine how the image is going to look, right? So now let's go get our prompt. Now the prompt I use for this image creation, if you want it, just type in the comment section, I want your prompt, and I'm going to send it to you. Also, in my previous video where I talked about how to create AI videos for free, I told you how to create a prompt, right? So you can go check out that video. I'm going to link it in the description so you can check it out and watch the video. Now that I have my prompt, let's go ahead and create the image. Now, first of all, import an image of yourself to Gemini. You know, a clear picture of yourself. That is the picture Gemini is going to imitate. To do that, tap on this plus sign and then you're going to see gallery. Tap on gallery, then choose an image from your gallery. After adding your image, now the next thing to do is to copy and paste your prompt, right? So just paste your prompt and then read it through, to see if it's what you want, right? Read the prompt through. If there is anything you want to change the color of your clothing, the color of your hair, the length of the hair and all that, you can just, make little changes to this prompt. And after that, click on send. Once you click on send, the image creation will begin, and you have to wait for some time for the image to cook, right? So let's wait and see what the image is going to look like. Right now, the image generation is done, and look at what it created. Wow, look at the hot gown. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful, looking like a proper studio picture. So the prompt is the most important aspect. Okay, so when you're generating the prompt, ask it to, if it's pink clothes you want, if it's white suit you want, just tell it to the prompt that is what you want. And if it's a bone straight hair, anything you want, just note it. The prompt is the most important. Okay. And for the picture, your own image that you're going to ask it to imitate, make sure that the picture is clear, your facial features are clear. Okay, these are other images I created using the same method. Can't you see? It's very beautiful. And for this one, I used a different prompt. I asked it to use a short bone straight hair and an emerald green suit. Look at how professional this image is looking, like a proper studio picture. So yeah, if you know you got value from this video, do not forget to like and support me by subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video.